the street, in the water, or at the track. If you drive it, we can fuel it.
Now, back at the line, a good matchup. Ricky Smith and Warren Johnson.
Smith, a 707 cubic inch Ford Pro Stock engine for this contest. Warren Johnson, a lighter car, 500 cubic inches of Hemi Oldsmobile, ready to drag race.
And as we see the rerun, we need to remember this is a transition year. For this year, IHRA Pro Stockers can run at 2,350 pounds, 500 cubic inches, or at 2,600 pounds, 700 cubic inches, and they start to make the difference right now.
So now it is time for an awesome first rip of a very special group of hot rods that we have coming out here to hang with us this weekend. We have a group of 8 of the best mountain motor Pro Stock cars on the planet here this weekend to have some fun with us for the first time in the long vaunted history of the U.S. Nationals.
Yeah, about 30 years ago, we would have never placed a bet that this would happen.
Yeah, time changes a lot of things.
You know, I got to say that out of all the things I've done and all the things I've accomplished, this is top of the list. I mean, I never dreamed in all my life that you'd see a mountain motor Pro Stock car, basically an IHRA car, used to be the enemy over here, running at an NHRA U.S. national event.
Actually, there is no replacement for displacement.
I like that one
say
too.
Say it. That's the better. That's the cooler way.
All right. I'll go with it.
Eamon's got the nose up. Eamon again is hugging the center line down there into Florian's truck at 635 with a 1, 220 miles an hour.
What would it mean to you for NHRA to merge the mountain motors into their Pro Stock class?
Well, you know, that would be extraordinary. I think it could happen, and I'm looking forward to our conversations with NHRA over the next couple of weeks. And to me, it would be absolutely awesome to put these cars on the big stage.
You know, this is just, it's once in a lifetime opportunity. You know, like we're next to the funny cars in the stage lanes. I teched in, and Eric Anders was behind me. The 8 guys that are here can't be more happy to be here. This is just an iconic moment for Mountain Motor Pro Stock, and we're getting to showcase our class here at the Indy U.S. Nationals.
Sandbagging out here?
No, we absolutely aren't, Bobby. We're being a little conservative because we don't know what this track could take, but we are absolutely not sandbagging, and we look to step it up every session. Pete Burnham went a 620 at the shakedown. I don't know. I lost track how many years ago. It was probably like 8 or 9 years ago. He won a 20. And I know we've got more power since then. So in ideal conditions, I think one of these cars could go with 618, 228. I probably shouldn't say that, though, because as I'm saying that, I'm thinking about the pounds they're putting on me.